Discover the 4 best grinders for an exceptional cup every time. First up, the Cuisinart DBM8 Supreme Grind Automatic Burr Mill, features 18 different grind settings for the perfect cup of coffee every time. Next, the Capresso Infinity Conical Burr Grinder, with a built-in timer and commercial-grade burrs for a consistent grind. Our third pick is the Baratza Virtuoso Plus Conical Burr Coffee Grinder, designed for precision and featuring a digital timer and 40 grind settings. Last but not least, the Hario Skerton Plus Ceramic Coffee Mill, is a portable and durable option that's perfect for coffee lovers on the go. Check us out at ecoffeefinder.com for more content on all things coffee.